What's up you guys, it's Thomas here, and today I'm really excited to finally be unboxing the Penoval pencil stylus for iPad. Now, judging from their marketing, it looks to be a pretty good, cheap Apple Pencil alternative, so I can't wait to check it out. But before we get started, I just want to say a quick thank you guys so much for 50 subscribers. It sounds small, but it's really a big milestone. So to give back, I'm hosting a giveaway for the Penoval stylus pencil. I'm going to be giving this one away at the end of this video. So just watch till the end. It's really easy to enter the giveaway, and I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so this is the Penoval pencil. It comes in a very nice packaging, just like a, very simple box, very Apple-like to be honest. The packaging is almost exactly the same as the Apple Pencil packaging. It comes with a little pull tab on the top that you pull. It comes with the same exact pull tab, so let's just remove it from the box. And okay, wow, this looks like an Apple product. And I mean, to be honest, it literally looks like they copied the Apple packaging. Now, this is not a bad thing. I like it. It's really good design. But let's actually look at the stylus. So, remove the top bit. Inside here we have instruction manuals and stuff. And we have this little package right here. Also a little replacement tip. We have a little user manual. So the top seems to be where you charge it. It's an LED indicator, power button, and the replaceable tip. And here is the tip replacement. It's kind of a nice add-on. And inside here we have also a charger, and it's kind of a small charger, but you know what? It's fine. I don't expect them to include a huge charger for this little pen, but let's take it out. The packaging looks really nice. Looks quite nice in there, and it just pulls. They also seem to have copied the bit of the Apple packaging where things are hard to get out. Just slowly easing it out. And okay, the good thing about this is that it's very protective. The bad thing is it's hard to get out. But here we have the Penoval pencil for iPad, and it's a pretty nice material. It seems to be some kind of brushed aluminum. Feels nice in the hand, very lightweight, and it's very sleek and nicely designed. It looks like a pen. At the top there's a charger port, and here's the power button. Let's see, does it come charged? Yes, perfect, it does come charged. So let's just test it out on my iPad. Okay, so using the Stylus Pen is pretty darn easy. Just click the power button, turns on, and then you can use it, just like a normal stylus. And the one issue that I actually had when using the Stylus Pen is it will not pair with your device. It will not work with your device if you have any other stylus connected via Bluetooth. So you just need to go into settings and forget your old stylus. But anyway, let's test it out. So it clearly works as a good, regular stylus. I like how it has a nice soft tip so it won't scratch your device. But let's see how well it does with sketching. Just gonna open up a new document in Photoshop Sketch. Okay. Not the best drawer, but I'm going to try something. I'm just going to draw a happy face. Let's just test out the palm rejection. So I can draw with my hand, but if I have my hand on there and I draw, will it work? Oh yeah, it's completely ignoring my hand. That works really well. And will it do any kind of shading? It's not pressure sensitive, but I'm wondering if I try to use it in the Notes app where it has shading compatibility, with my Apple Pencil, will it allow me to shade with this? So I'm opening up a regular pencil and I can just draw a straight line. But what if I try to shade? Okay, it doesn't really support shading. However, it does work quite well for just taking notes, and the stylus works really well. It doesn't reject my hand in the Notes app. Yep, it does. So it's a pretty basic pencil, but it works quite well. And for the price, it's pretty good. I haven't seen that many budget styluses that offer palm rejection like the Penoval stylus does. And to compare writing on the Penoval pen to on my Apple Pencil, it feels almost exactly the same. The only difference is, of course, the Apple Pencil, has some fancy features, but the Apple Pencil is also $80 more than this pencil. So for $40, I'd say that this is quite worth it. And what I really like, what really stands out about this pencil, is how you can easily just click the button and draw. There's nothing else you need to do. So to rate the Penoval pencil, I'm going to rate it by price, design, and usability. So price-wise, I'll give it a 4 out of 5. It's $40, which is a lot cheaper than the Apple Pencil, yet it nails the main feature of the Apple Pencil, which is writing and palm rejection, and it does it great. Design, it's got a pretty nice design. It's quite sleek. The only thing I think they could have added is maybe the ability to add magnets that connect to the iPad Pro, magnetic connector where the Apple Pencil connects. And that would have been a really nice addition, but other than that, I'll just give it a 4 out of 5 in design as well. And for usability, I will again be giving it a 4, simply because I'm taking off 1 star, because while it did work really well, sometimes the system thought I was trying to copy and paste when it was supposed to be doing the palm rejection. But the palm rejection, other than that, worked pretty well, and it could just be a system issue, not an issue with the stylus. So overall, it's getting a solid 4 out of 5. And it's a pretty decent stylus for the price. Anyway, just to quickly summarize this review, the Penoval pencil is a pretty good stylus for your iPad, and it's a pretty good cheap Apple Pencil alternative. I definitely recommend it if you're in the market for one. Also, you can buy this one in the link below in the description. And be sure to let me know in the comment section, what's your favorite feature of this pencil? Anyway, let's get into the giveaway now. So before you enter the giveaway, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and also go in the description and there's a link, and at that link you can enter and you'll be given multiple options. For each option you complete, you'll be given an entry, and in 16 days I will randomly choose the winner and you'll be emailed. The giveaway is open to anybody in the United States, and good luck. Anyway guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day. Bye.